Hello, hello. Let me check the sound. Okay, the sound is perfect. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So yeah, I did not get time yesterday, so to make the video. So sorry for that, but I did update on Twitter. So let's start. Okay. So today is 27th of December, and let's discuss what we analyzed yesterday and what is going to happen tomorrow or in the coming days. Okay. So the first thing is that I clearly mentioned here that if you go and read that fresh put writing positions were done and also some call buying were done. Okay, and since like the previous call writing positions were there, so both side, so finally I wrote that both side moves because due to the fresh put writing positions and the past call writing positions and also some call buying positions were there. Okay, so analysis worked perfectly. We got the both side moves. So starting from the beginning, like put writing was being done. So at the very initial stage, put writing was being done. You could see the gradual increase in the score, but then suddenly like sharp fall from 43.31 and then 1 and -6. Okay, so here you can very well see that from 43 to 1 the sudden sharp fall. So something happened suddenly. Okay, so suddenly the call writers started coming. Okay, so it was 927, and similarly for Bank Nifty also the score started falling, and so 929 or 931. Okay, and after that you can very well see like there was a nice fall. So from the top it was like almost more than like so what was the time? So let's consider like at 927. Okay, so 927. So this is the candle from 925 to 930. So 927. Okay, so let's almost take this level 18,084. Okay, so from even from there, like if you check 17,972. Okay, so almost 100 points fall here, and also in Bank Nifty there was a nice fall. So even in Bank Nifty you could very well see there was a nice fall in the morning. So now that was the very first one. Here call writers are coming back, 928, scores are decreasing. Okay, and then there was another instance when we caught that the market would go down, so the put buyers were active. So that was 1244 will go down. Okay, will be going down. 18,000 put buyers active. So 1244, let's go and check. So 1244. So this is the candle 12. Yeah, so 1230. So yeah, this is the candle. Okay, so 1242, 1245, so 1244. Almost this candle is flat. So Nifty is at 18,045. Okay, and within the just next 10 seconds, 10 minutes, it went down to 18,015. So in 10 minutes, 30 points is a good one. Okay, now most of you would say that okay, थोड़ा सा ही तो fall हुआ, फिर से reverse कर गया, ठीक है. लेकिन मतलब just see the point that we caught that now Nifty will fall. Okay, and 10 in within 10 minutes, 30 points fall. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, and moreover, one thing I clearly told my members that like in these choppy markets where anything can happen, what you do is once you buy puts or whatever option buyers especially once you buy puts or calls, once you get the move, then you just start locking your profits. Like suppose you bought at 110, suppose you bought put here, suppose at 100 rupees. Okay, then this 5 minutes move came, price went to 110. Okay, then you put the stop at 107 or 108. Okay, and then again a further fall came, suppose it went to 120, then you put the stop at 115 or 1, or don't put it very close because the chance of coming back and hitting it would be very high, so you put it at 115 or something. So what happens is that this so 100 to 115, this move, this profit gets blocked. Okay, even if after the market reverses, your profit is locked. Okay, so sometimes it happens like we take the right decision, it was in profit, and suddenly reversal, and we regret that we didn't close it in profit. Okay, so that's how you can like close your profits. Okay, and option buyers, like this is not the market for option buyers specifically. Like if you just go into 1 day chart, just look at the candles. Okay, so just look at the candles down, so the morning down move and then up. But if you just go and look bank nifty, so you see it's like here almost flat. Okay, so down up, so any side it's moving. Okay, so whenever we get these signals, so just take the advantage, and especially the members take the advantage and book the profits. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. And yes, why does this happen? Like why it just came down by 30 points and it moved up? Because these are specially done by the algo companies. Okay, so they are not like there to take 100 points fall or something. Okay, for them, entering and exiting with 20 points to 30 points is a huge margin for them. Okay, so that's why it's those moves are quick, and a nice profit in just 5 to 10 minutes. They take a nice profit and they leave. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. And now let's discuss what's next. Okay, so the thing is that if you look at here, FIIs again, as I said, like the last week FIIs are absent from the market. So they even closed for futures long as well as futures short. So you can't conclude anything from here. Okay, so it's nothing to conclude from the futures position. So they are just neutral. And let's come to the options. So in option chain, they are just making these futures put writing positions. Okay, and market is almost flat, and it's just for the option writers. And also like the call writers are also present. So moreover, like you should understand that again the same thing would happen, like both side moves and then further a little up move or almost flat. So like this it's going to go. So so these days are quite boring. Okay, and yes, and also like you see that they are also carrying their call writing positions. The call writing positions are also in huge quantity. Okay, so nothing to like nothing like they are doing put writing. They have huge call writing positions as well. And the put buying positions, they have been covered into the call writing position, put writing positions. Okay, so they have done put writing but did not do call buying, did not do put buying for hedging, because they were already carrying the put buyings, which they they were not able to close when suddenly market came up yesterday. So yes, that's the thing. And the these call buyings are also there for the hedging purpose. And yes, and one more thing, that is please note down that these call buying positions you see here. Okay, so they are almost the same. Okay, but these futures short positions have been decreased. So for those future short positions also, they had some call buying positions for the for hedging, which they did not close. Okay, so overall again it's looking like a little bit of bullishness. Or if market goes up, then their call writing positions would be protected very much. So that's the two conclusions which you can draw. Okay, so that's the thing. But again, expect both the side moves and stop loss hitting moves, and it might be a boring market again. So I think it's best, like if you don't trade, or if especially option buyers, because option sellers can just sell puts and sit and enjoy till expiry. Or option call writers also do the same thing. But yes, option buyers, if you don't get such signals, or you can't, so then I especially like when I get the signals, I tell my members, so then we go for it and just grab the profit and come out of it. So that's the thing. And yes, let's now discuss the levels. So the levels is like 43,000 is looking as resistance for Bank Nifty. Same is being shown in the option chain also. Like if you go in Bank Nifty, yeah. So 43,000 and below we have 42,000 for 550. And let's go to the option chain. Yeah. So if you see here 43,000 here. So you'll see that though here, I mean, call writers are somewhat closing if you see, okay, but also you see that put writers are also closing on this side, okay. But overall there is a huge call writing position still there. So again, I think 43,000 would be acting as resistance for now. And yes, and that's the thing, like put writers are all present here, if you can notice. So they are all present there. And let's come to Nifty. Nifty till 18,150, as I remember, like call put writing has been done. So yes, 18,150. Above that, somewhat they are closing, but again, tomorrow they can initiate fresh positions because here some writers are still waiting. So let's see. But if you see that for 18,200, they still have a huge OI. But again, 18,100 still has a huge OI. 18,000 also still. I mean, the big players who can absorb this up move, they are still waiting to close their positions at a like profit, because suddenly the up move came and the option premium got doubled. So they were not able to close their positions in profit. So they are, I think they are still waiting. So let's see if further call covering is done, or again market will come down suddenly and they will they will get an exit, and again it will go up. So that's the overall scenario. Like they are still waiting. Okay, so why they are waiting, we have to figure it out. So that's the thing. And I think, yeah, for the FIIs, like they have tried to sell today also, and DII is bought, but not in like the last 3 to 4 days. They were buying in very huge quantity. Okay, and overall advance is like much more than the declines. And I think, yeah, that's all. So yeah, if you want to if you don't want to miss such updates like even yesterday which I gave, so you can follow me on Twitter, those who are new. And yes, for such updates, like for such type of analysis which you have also seen in the past, like they work so wonderfully. So please do like the video, which will give me a little bit of energy to do such analysis in the future also. And please do subscribe who doesn't have subscribed. So yes, now the thing is that one more thing, like look at it for Nifty 18,084. Look at it, if it might act as support. Okay, and put writers can come at 18 and short at 18,000 or a little below. But be careful, like market can again come down and give an exit to the call writers, and then again can jump up. Okay, so I think I have covered everything. So yeah, the indicators data are all available in the drive link. The description is in the link of which is in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can ask. I think I need to block this guy. Okay, I can't do anything from here. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll end it here. Okay then. So okay, so no more questions. So yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning. And please do like the video, and please do subscribe and share. And see you in the